go, go. What? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-huh.
Let's go! Okay.
Hey, what happened?
Okay. Go!
Woohoo!
Go! Woo!
Thank you.
What happened?
Okay.
Aha! What happened?
Okay. Go! Go!
Time for the tractor challenge. Let's go! Thank you. Okay.
Oh no! The roof is on fire! Help! Somebody help us!
The fire is spreading too fast. And the lightning keeps striking. We have to find water. The house is burning.
Run for your lives!
The damage is significant, but with the help of the team and some sturdy materials, we can begin the reconstruction process tomorrow.
Hey, we need some help down here. The house is completely burned. And can you bring the materials?
Hello? Wait, have you found the missing blueprint? That's fantastic! We can finally finish the roof!
Okay.
Now we transport the bricks from the pallet to the blue trailer, making sure they are stacked neatly.
Stacking the bricks neatly on the pallet ensures they are secure for transport to the build site.
Next, we carefully load the bricks onto the blue trailer. Make sure the first layer is secure before adding more. We're placing the wooden frames securely onto the trailer, making sure they rest evenly on the bricks.
Next, we need to load the rebar onto the trailer, placing it carefully on the wooden frames.
Okay, let's go!
Next, we carefully lift the pink bucket of kinetic sand and place it securely into the back of the red dump truck.
Woohoo! Let's get these supplies delivered!
Hey, down there!
Put the rebar down gently right there.
Perfect, that's exactly what we needed. Careful with the new frames, Hulk. We need these for the reconstruction.
Don't worry, I've got them. We'll have this place rebuilt soon.
Now that the site is clear, we can begin building the foundation for our new miniature home.
Now we carefully lift the cement mixer out and place it with the rest of our materials.
Here is the sand we need for the foundation.
First, we carefully unload the cement bag and the wheelbarrow from the truck.
Bye!
To start building our miniature house, we carefully dig square holes for the foundation supports, just like this.
With the ground cleared, it's time to lay the foundation. These 4 holes will support our new home.
We finally finished it! It looks amazing!
Hooray! We made it through the storm!
Yeah, the house is safe.